We can go to the beach and still practice social distancing. This one, I tell you. In the camera, let me see yours. Why your head up?
Because I need to jump out the water. Because Mommy,
you gonna get ice cream scoops filled with dirt. Good job. Say, hey, Jenny. Alan. Say, hey, Jenny. Yeah. It's what? Mud. Yeah. You like mud? Yeah. Okay. Hello, Ganny. Where are you?
I'm at the beach.
Oh my gosh. Ganny's at the beach. Her own little private beach.
Yes. Social distancing. At the beach.
Oh my gosh.
That's why it look like they standing on top of the water. It's hard to see, but look, you said you thought it was up here, and it's just a bunch of like sticks. It's somebody right on the other side in the middle of them. But I don't know if they walking from that side over here or if they came from this side to over the middle. Because it's probably the same thing on that side where they got the lane go up and down. I just wonder if it ever get too deep somewhere in the middle where you couldn't walk across.
I don't think we can get some. Can you get some?
Yeah.
Try it.
Oh. This is so fun.
It's mud.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other side so we can look at the shells. Okay?
First,
Oh, well, I don't know what you found.
shark tooth.
Oh, so tell me, what are these mounds? Do you know?
It's just clay deposits that was left here when all the sand got washed away.
Okay, and you found a what in it?
A shark tooth.
Okay, can I see it?
We just
I
started.
want you to know I'm putting you on video because I want to see
Oh,
it.
okay.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Maybe shark
And how long have you been doing this?
for like 2 hours.
Oh, okay, good.
This is actually our first, maybe second time looking for teeth.
Okay, and are you from here?
Find them all the time?
I don't know.
But you live here?
We live in Cross.
Oh, in Cross. We lived in Cross before.
Oh, did you?
Yes.
Yeah.
We lived right on the county line. We grew up in Utahville.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay.
You know
Great.
where S&S campground is?
Yes.
We live about 200 yards up the road past that.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So what do you have in your right hand?
I'm not certain, but I think this is a bone. I think this is a fossilized bone.
Okay.
Like
All
maybe
right.
from a whale or something. It's huge.
Okay. Now you can hold the gross thing down a little bit so I can get it, but I don't want to get close to it. Is it soft?
It's firm,
Uh-huh.
but kind of feels a little like skin.
Okay.
It's just kind of gross. See what I mean? It's kind of gross.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I'm
You
not
can.
sure what it is.
Yeah.
Here, do you want to see it?
No. What do you have, little one? Oh, he has a shell.
This is
And she has something that looks gross.
Isn't that gross and weird?
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yes.
And then there's the abalone right
Please
below it. See?
Which one's that?
This is abalone.
Okay. Okay. That's
See how
different.
it's shiny? Like
Yeah.
rainbow?
Yes.
That's abalone. And there's
Okay.
another one right there, but I'm not going to dig it up.
Okay.
And then
All
this
right.
is the conch shell.
Okay. And are these yours as well?
These two?
Yes.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
careful, Alan. Okay, so these two are not yours?
We did find those, but we left them.
Okay. Is it a good idea to just leave those there?
Yeah, I don't know if there's anything in them or not.
Okay.